It's still cold, but this week I'm seeing some temperatures above freezing. I even saw a temperature that was around like 39 degrees, which is close enough to 40 degrees, which is almost 50 degrees in the fall, coming from like the heat of summer. Once it hits like 40, 45 degrees, it's like, okay, it's time to break out the winter coat. When you're coming from the bitter ice cold of winter and you get a day that's 40 degrees, it's like, where are my shorts? Relativity is certainly something. There is a recording session that I have, and we had one rehearsal at the beginning of March, and then we're recording in like late March because I'm kind of procrastinating on that piece just because it comes so late in the month. So I want to just kind of like get the notes in, and I also want to go over the Shades of Violet piece. So I found out about this piece like during the summer, and this year I'm playing it 5 times. And it's a great piece of music. I did upload it to this channel, and it's also on my music channel if you want to check it out. This week we're just kind of like starting off with a bunch of different things, and at the end of this video we are actually gonna have a rehearsal with shibui for the first time for the first time this year. I mean, we've done some stuff, like we recorded an album that was like our biggest project, but we are also headlining the Boston Progressive Jazz Festival. It's a teaching day, it's a teaching week. Next week is February break, so we're just chilling, we're coasting. All right, I'm gonna practice. I'm not gonna show any clips of me practicing this new piece because it's new and I just wanna like start getting to know it. I'll see you when I see you. If I'm wearing the same thing as yesterday, I'm sorry, but it's a new day and I was freezing. Tuesday morning already, so I'm gonna make stuff tonight. Put my meal prep in like almost a midweek kind of pattern, so whatever. We have brioche hamburger rolls, herb, seasoned croutons. We're gonna make these into breadcrumbs later. 2 Caesar salad kits. I also got 2 extra ones, sesame and avocado ranch. Caesar dressing, cleaning supplies. I'm gonna put these over here. It's almost Valentine's Day, so I got a little surprise for Colin. Why didn't they put my chicken together? Like, food for little mess. We have oat milk, oat creamer, and vanilla, orange juice, and pineapple juice. Hi! I'm gonna have some juice and a bagel, and maybe some coffee now that I have creamer. Been teaching all afternoon into the evening. My last student, if I recall correctly, is not coming tonight. So that means I get to go home half an hour early, and I'm going to be making dinner. Chicken Caesar sandwiches. You'll see.
Прости, отец.
Извинись перед Россией. Проиграть чехам.
Ilya Rosenov versus Shane Hollinger.
Well, she's looking a wee bit more like October now, isn't it?
So I was briefly stuck in traffic because of a protest. The high school students were doing like a walkout to protest. Because honestly, fuck ICE. Fuck them. If you support ICE and what these monsters are doing, then we're not gonna get along anyway. There ain't no hate like Christian love, let me tell you. Just like be kind. It's not that hard. Even if you don't want to be kind, don't be fucking evil. Now I'm going to Marlboro and I'm going by so many of my favorite places and cafes, but like I had coffee and breakfast at home and I brought my lunch. Groceries cost me a surprising amount this week. So I'm kind of like upset about that. And yeah, I'm gonna eat the food that I spent a lot of money on. It's Wednesday, we're driving. Break time, lunchtime. I have a tendency to like have a snack in the car, have a coffee in the car, and then I'm really bad about throwing away my bags. So I'm actually kind of embarrassed for how gross my car is. I don't know, do you guys want to see it? Are you interested in that? Okay, this is like actually so embarrassing, but that's the passenger side of my car. Like, who am I? I don't even know how I live like this. Like, I'm disgusted with myself. Bag full of cups. Mice can get in your car, and I really don't want that to happen. So like, all of this garbage, just nasty. I am disgusted. At least it's all contained now, and I can just toss it easily. Always something different. Today it's that boat that's all the way stinking out there, and your Shein orders are in there. A sign that spring is coming is that I'm wearing a normal shirt today. Yeah, the sun is shining. Someone commented saying to make sure that I don't like have too many irons in the fire. I think that's the phrase. I don't. It's one day a week and it's in the morning, on a morning that I'm free. So I know it seems like I'm doing a lot, but a lot of them are like 1 or 2 day commitments. So okay, this is my last try of the evening on this, and then I'm gonna put it away. Happy Valentine's Day. Now the sun frickin' comes out. Where was it during my walk? Colin was mean and made me do tax stuff and made me open my envelopes. Rude. But then we went for a walk. He's gonna make pizza tonight and I'm gonna make music because I have to practice, and I'm procrastinating about doing so. I'm not looking forward to using my brain. Like, it sounds cozy, like, oh, I'll just drink water and play my clarinet, but I have to like set everything up and like actually use my brain and like work hard. And Nothing went wrong, actually. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I feel pretty good about leaving this concert's program just to like ruminate. So I am actually ahead of my own practice schedule. I just have to go over some shibui stuff for tomorrow, and then we'll wrap it up for today. These are all the pieces that I have to play, and these are where I am with them. Got a couple at 100, but visual representation of where I am with things. Yeah. Yeah, we don't have a Cafe Bustelo problem here at all. Sounds like the rainforest.
I feel like I'm like trying to like
It's such
swipe
a
a
tiny
touch
spot.
screen that's like this.